Today's back to school fashion haul video was kindly sponsored by ROMWE. So let's go ahead and get into my measurements so you can determine which size you need. I'm 5'2", about 109 pounds, 32B in the bust, 25 inches in the waist, 35 inches in the hips. And first off are these adorable shorts. I love this kind of natural green color. They're gonna go with so many things, especially in the fall. So they are in a size small and the fit is pretty much perfect, but what's really cute about these is what's on the back pocket. So we have an embroidered little mushroom scene, and then everything else is nice and plain. So it's a cute little decoration, but not too much, not too little, just perfect for matching with all of your cute fall color items. And here we have another very cute pair of shorts, also in a size small. So these just look like a nice plain pair of blue denim shorts until you turn around and look at the back. And here on the back pocket, we have this really beautiful embroidery of the sun and the flowers and all of that around it. Just very pretty and adds a cute pop of color. A very cute outfit for the summer or back to school. And one more pair of shorts, this pair in a size small, and they have a lot of stretch, so you can say it has kind of like that worn wash right here. But on the back we have these really cute flat pockets with the kind of like a lace ribbon and the little pink ribbons, and yes, they are functioning pockets, so that's really nice. Very comfortable because of all of the stretch, and you can wear them with so many different things. And here's a really fun look at these beautiful plaid shorts in a size small. The fit is fabulous. They're so comfortable, and the fabric really looks like amazing quality. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but they just feel like some very expensive shorts. The fabric just feels amazing. I'll show you what it looks like from the back, just nice and plain. We have these lovely pockets that are nice and deep too. So this is going to be super fun to wear all fall long, maybe even into winter. You could wear these with boots, with tights, and of course with different cardigans and sweaters. Here we have this lovely skirt. This is such a beautiful, beautiful skirt for fall. It has pockets here. It has nice little pockets. It has a zip up the back, and it does have this removable belt, so you can change up the look if you wanted to and wear this with a different belt. This is so pretty for fall. Can't wait for fall to get here and wear this. We have this adorable sweater. So this isn't too short, it's kind of cropped, but it comes like right at the navel area on me. So I like that. It's not like up to here or something, so you can wear it with high waist and it's still gonna be warm and appropriate for most things. So I'm gonna come closer so you can see the colors and the little teddy bear embroidery. This really is embroidered. And this is of course a nice turtleneck. And the sleeves are extra long, so they'll keep your hands nice and warm. I wanted to show some accessories. This adorable little frog right here. How cute is he? And you open this up, we have just a main compartment in here and the fuzzy strap even. And here we have this really thick, great feeling corduroy skirt. So this is also in a size small. It has nice deep pockets, and it has the belt loops, which I really love about it. And it has beautiful tortoise buttons all the way down, and it comes all the way to my ankles pretty much. So going to keep you really nice and warm for back to school season for fall and winter. And here we have this adorable frog print shirt, and it also has like a pastel plaid underneath it. I went with a size extra large for this one, so it would be a nice oversized look to wear with biker shorts, but it is such a cute print. So let's come closer so you can see the print that I'm talking about. And all the little froggies all over it, so adorable. So we have this bag right here. It has the black clips. This opens up to an outside pouch, and then we have the main compartment right here. It's just a big open main compartment, and I like the color scheme. Very cute for fall with all of the neutrals, and this would be great for travel as well. Very, very lightweight.